Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today is simple, quick. It's actually just like an appetizer. We like to make up for the football games or any kind of party celebrations or just because you want some. And this is what you will be needing. Okay, I have two. Now I'm sure a lot of you have tried this, but there's so many that hasn't. And it's just an unusual appetizer, but they're so good. We love them. So we're going to make some up. Decided to jump on and share it with you guys. Something easy. We're going to start out with two little 14-ounce packages of little Smokies. I use the chicken and pork one. For the beef, for me, it's just too rubbery. And this is quick, guys. But like I said, they're so good. And they're so pretty on your little football table, your snack table, your party table. They're good. And unusual. But they're little Smokies and meatballs. Just cooked up in a quick sauce. You can also do this on your stovetop. These Smokies are already pre-cooked. The meatballs, you can make your own meatballs, but why? Why you want to go through that if we're just trying to do something quick? Hey, but if you want to do your own meatballs, feel free. I've done them before too, but today we're just doing quick snacks for the football game. Now I have, like I said, two of those are 28 ounces or two 14-ounce packages of the pork and chicken Smokies. And I have here my fully cooked meatballs, which is another 14-ounce pack. They're little 1/2 ounce meatballs. And I have one pack of these. Throw them in there. Now if you have a big crowd coming, go ahead and double this recipe, triple this recipe. I think I'm throwing meatballs behind it over here. Okay, we got one more in there, or three more. Okay, now to that I'm going to add 18 ounces. Here's where the strange part comes that y'all are not familiar with. Grape jelly. Now like I said, a lot of people have made this up before. We've been making this stuff up for years. I mean, it's been around for so long, but a lot of us are not aware of it. And actually how good it is unless you try it. Now find your favorite sweet chili sauce. There's a couple different brands out. And you're going to put that, this I believe is a 12-ounce jar. It's just that simple. Now you could put some red pepper flakes in here if you want. Make it a little bit spicy. You could also do this with barbecue sauce. And you're just going to mix this up. We're going to get the lid on this. Now you can cook this on the stovetop maybe 20 minutes to a half hour on low. Just till it comes to a gentle boil. Because everything here is already pre-cooked. But I like to get this started a few hours before the game. So I just start cleaning and get busy. So I'm like, throw them in the crock pot. That way I ain't got to tend to them. Just give them a stir maybe every hour. So, on high for 2.5, 3 hours. Or go maybe 5.5 to 6 hours on low. And we'll be back to serve them up. Okay, friends, there they are, the little cocktail Smokies and meatballs. Now I put them like here, how give you a good idea how you can serve them in just that sauce, or you can just tell them no double dipping, but if it's your family, I guess that's up to you. But there they are, mine cooked, excuse me, Mine cooked, I think, close to a little over 3 hours. When they start swelling up pretty good, those little smokies, that's an indication that they're done. But like I said, you can do the stovetop too. If you got the time, go ahead. But here they just do basically cook themselves, and I don't got to mess with them, but maybe once an hour stirring them up. Curtis, you want to try them?
Oh, of course I do.
Go ahead.
I'm one of these.
Go figure. Curtis will get in there, huh?
Get a little bit of dipping going.
Yeah. You already know you like them, but let the people know how we really love them.
Oh my God.
They are good, guys. A little unusual, but this little snack appetizer's been around for years. I know a lot of us make these up every year, and or just for any occasion you want, actually. I mean, they're just delicious. They're, go ahead. It'll definitely stand out at your snack table, as I said. But as always, guys, please like and subscribe. Welcome, welcome, all my new subscribers. I truly appreciate each and every one of you all. And until next week, Curtis is patiently waiting, so we will see you guys later. Enjoy your game, enjoy your party, but make you up some of these to go with it.
These have the Curtis seal of approval.
Stay blessed, y'all. Bye-bye.